Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use the course you found to complete the scavenger hunt quest from the scientists in Fish It game app Roblox Lava Basin update. Okay, I've already found all of the course and now it's time to use the course to complete the quest. And if you want to use the course, just go to this area and you can insert the core and then you will get a preview. Okay, this is the preview, guys, and you will be able to use this. I don't know what it is called. Maybe we can call it telescope. Okay, and after you get the preview, you'll be able to use the telescope. Wait, it's still loading. Okay, and yeah, we can view something using this telescope. Okay guys, and that's how you can use the course to unlock the telescope in the scavenger hunt quest in Fish It. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.